Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to continue from level 24 of Bandit over the wire, and maybe we will complete till level 33 or 34, or we might also extend it to one more video. Let's see what happens. So first of all, log into Bandit 24. Last time we got the password till Bandit 24, so you can log in there and then read the description. The description says that a daemon means a process that runs on the background without user interaction. It is listening on port this much, and it will give you the password if the password for Bandit 24 and a secret 4-digit pin code. There is no way to retrieve the pin code except by going through all the 10,000 combinations, which we call brute forcing. And we do not need to create new connections each time. So what we have to do is we have to create a script, a bash script or any other script, and we have to run that, and we have to try to get the password like that, right? So the first thing you would want to do is go to cd/tmp, and then you want to create a directory, whatever directory you want. I have already done that, and I made the Apple directory. Alright, and as you can see right here, Bandit 24, which means that I am the owner. And then you want to write a script called brute.sh or whatever you want, and this is the script. So what this script does is from 0 to 9999, so when we have seq-w0999, it will start from 0000 and go all the way to 9999. Echo the password for the last level and our secret code that we are trying to brute force, and after it has echoed or printed all of that, we will save all of that to output.txt. We can save this, and I'm going to remove the output.txt right now. And after that, what you have to do is chmod plus x and brute.sh, because you need to give it some executable permissions as well. Then when you run this, and if you see how many lines our output.txt has, it has 10,000 lines. And if you cat our output.txt, you should see that this is in the format that we want, right? So this is, so we have the necessary requirement to brute force this, right? So now what we're going to do is we're going to print this, right? Output.txt, sorry. And one by one we're going to send each line to nc localhost 30,002, because that's where the daemon is listening. And then we are going to save this to a result.txt file, because we need to see if we get the result or not. And now if we see that we have a result file as well. The result file is 9955 lines long, and if we cat the result file, it says that it's wrong. Okay, but in the last it says that it is correct, so we don't really need to do anything. Just copy this, and then Bandit 25 is this, right? So that's it. And now we are going to log in to Bandit 25 and continue solving the levels. I did not think it would be that easy, but whatever. So Bandit 25. So logging into Bandit 26 from 25 should be fairly easy. The shell for the user is not bin bash, it's something else. Find out what it is and how it is and how to break out of it. Okay. I don't really understand what it's. Oh, we have a Bandit 26 SSH key. Wow. So we can just get out of here. we can echo this entire thing and save it to whatever it is called. So we are going to save it as bandit26.ssh key, and you should know this by this part of the video, that we have to change permissions to 600 ssh key. Oh, it's bandit26.ssh key, bandit26.ssh key, right? So we have to do this before we try to log in, otherwise we will not really get anything. So now let's ssh into -i and bandit26.ssh key. Let's go to bandit26 @OverTheWire, what was it, bandit.labs.overthewire.org, and in the port 2220, and we logged in, but we logged out immediately. Yeah, we logged in, but we logged out immediately right after it said bandit26. So right after the bash rc file, I will show you guys what that is. So every Linux home will have a bash rc file, and after this, when you open a bash terminal or any terminal of your choice, this is the file that runs first. So right after the bash rc file finished executing, we got logged out. So now what we can see is I don't know, I think we have to go back to bandit25 to solve this. The password for bandit25 was this. So what we can do is we can see the password file. So password file does not contain the password, that would be shadow file. The password file contains all the users of this device, of this machine, and we can see that usr bin show text. Okay, so this is the bash, or this is the terminal allocated to bandit26, and if we cat usr bin show text, it says export term linux exec more text.txt exit 0. So I think I know what we have to do. We can actually log into bandit26 from right here. We don't really need to do anything, just chmod 600 and bandit26.ssh key. Okay, maybe we cannot. Okay, maybe we cannot. So we're going to do this, but what we're going to do is we're going to make this terminal real small, and then we're going to press enter. And when we do that, okay, maybe we have to make our terminal even smaller. You guys will see what I'm trying to do in a minute or two, hopefully. Yes, right. So I'll tell you guys what's happening in a second. Okay, but now if you have made your terminal this small, and if it's saying more 33% is to, oh wait a minute, okay, let's do that again. Oh sorry, I think we have to get inside vim. To get vim, maybe press type vim. Oh, typing v works. So after you got the more 33%, press the V word, and then is to R /@c/bandit pass. I think that was, yeah, that's the one. And then bandit 2026. I don't know. Found a swap file owned by bandit 26, file name text.txt, modified, yes, blah 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 blah. Edit session, file crash, recover, vimr txt cl recovery. Yeah, so this, after you read all that bullshit and press enter, so this should be the password for bandit 26. So I'll tell you guys what happened. Okay, so I'll tell you guys what happened. So we can, sorry, yeah. So basically what happened was, let's go into bandit 25 to make it clear what happened. So when we, so no, user bin and show, was it show text? What was it? Show something. Show text maybe. Grep bandit 26 user bin show text. It was user bin show text. Oh, I did not do this. Yeah, so when we read this, so basically it's just running the more command on text.txt, and when this command is finished, it is exiting. So that was the reason why right after entering in bandit 26 we were logged out immediately. So when we made the window real small, the more command could not complete because the window was too small. And when that happened, we pressed the V keyword, and that opened the vim file, right? And then we did is to R. So I'm not going to be explaining you guys vim in this video, but you can execute commands on vim, and we executed @c/bandit pass/bandit 26, and we got the answer. So that was it. So now we have to go into bandit 26, or maybe into bandit 27. Which one is it? I think we got the password for bandit 26, not 27. Okay, copy this and paste this, and we are not in bandit 26. Okay, so maybe we have to go into bandit 27. Okay, what's happening? Maybe we have to do this. Okay. So we have to go into bandit 26, but let's make our window small again, right? Let's enter the password, right? Let's press V again so that we get inside vim, and press is to set shell equal to /bin/bash. So we are setting the shell to this, and we are going to call shell, and we are in. All right, finally. So in the bandit 26, let's read the description for level 26 to 27. Good job getting a shell, and now hurry and grab a password for bandit 27. What is it? Cat text.txt. that's just bandit 26. Cat bandit 27 do. Okay, lsla, we can see that bandit 27 do is owned by bandit 27 as well. So what we can simply do is run this and use it to cat the bandit pass for bandit 27, and we get the password for the next level as well. So this is for bandit 27, and now we're going to get out of here. What the if you guys are ever confused of exiting out of Vim, simply go and press the cross button right here. Yeah, alright. So now we are going to log in into bandit 27. And we're going to log in, and let's read what it says right here. So this is the last level for this video, and we will be continuing this on the next video. So there is a git. Okay, we are in git now. So there is a git repository at ssh bandit 27 git @localhost home bandit 27 git repo blah blah blah. The password for bandit 27 git is the same as for the user bandit 27. So what it says is, so there is a git repository at this location, right? So what we can do is we can clone the git repository, and it will just show us that permission denied. So now what we can do is go to that /tmp, make a directory called gitty, cd gitty, and then we can clone the git repository, and the password, the password is the same. Permission denied. Make sure you have the correct access rights. Yeah, I know that the password is the same, but where do you enter the password? That is the question. So git clone ssh bandit 27 localhost blah blah blah. And ssh pass, I think, and this I'm not sure, but okay, I'll save you guys some time, and I will look up in how to do that. So it says on the internet that we should get okay, not this, we should get a password prompt. I don't know why we did not get it here. Let's try it again. Maybe I clicked enter too fast. Yes, I want to continue connecting, but there is no password. Maybe we have to do it on this place, on our own local computer. Maybe that's where we have to do it. Let's copy, let's try that. And from port 2220 as well. So this is not going to be localhost, this is going to be bandit.labs.overthewire.org, and it's going to be in port number 2220. Maybe this is how we do it, I don't know. Cloning into repo. Okay, Yeah, so that's how we do it. Cybersecurity is all about hit and trial. You keep on hitting until you get the answer or until you get banned, whichever comes first. So we should have a bandit 27. Git, what do we have? What did we clone? Cloning into repo. Okay, so we have a repo, and in here we have a readme, and that is the password. Alright, we're going to complete this, and we're going to save this as bandit 28 equal to this, and see you guys in the next video. In the next video we will complete this. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.